Capturing extraordinary moments is more important than ever. It's more than just reliving the moment. It's to inspire ourselves to be bold, strive for success, and achieve more in life. Today, we are proud to unveil the Phantom X, the most advanced smartphone from the Phantom brand, designed for incredible experiences and moments of success, witnessed every day by extraordinary people. People like you. The Phantom X is bold in tech innovation, elegant in design, borderless in view, fearless in its operation, and extraordinary in helping you achieve more. Whether you're a creator, busy professional, or a free-spirited visionary, the Phantom X will take you on an extraordinary journey. Featuring a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen made of 70-degree curves and a golden grip, the 3D borderless waterfall screen is at the forefront of the Phantom X design. It blurs the line between the phone and the world, creating a waterfall-like optimal visual experience. And through extraordinary craftsmanship, we have reinvented the glass back cover, perfectly combining the delicacy of silk with the sparkle of glass, giving the phone a refined texture. A process developed to provide the optimal phone experience and to help you stand out from the crowd. The Phantom X comes in two colors. Inspired by masters of art, the cool, calm tones of Van Gogh's Starry Night and the warm, romantic blend of Monet's Summer. And the phone includes our most cutting-edge technology. The Phantom X has extraordinary imaging capabilities, powered by a 50-megapixel ultra-sensitive rear-facing camera with a 1/1.3-inch ultra-large sensor. You can shoot crisp and professional photos without the need for extra equipment. And for the selfie lovers, the 48-megapixel front-facing camera comes with an ultra-wide angle lens, allowing you to capture the entire scene in all its glory. If you want to shoot portraits like a pro, our 50mm golden portrait lens can sharpen your features to ensure you're always looking your best. When it comes to low light, the Super Night mode captures more detail with an increased 4-in-1 pixel size, bringing your nighttime images alive. And the night video algorithm brings clarity, rich tones, and details to your video, leaving you free to record extraordinary moments. Of course, as you create more moments in your life, having enough space is extremely important. The Phantom X comes packed with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, providing you with enough storage and speed to document everyday life smoothly. The Phantom X also features a 33-watt super flash charge that can charge your phone up to 70% battery in just 30 minutes, so you can stay connected no matter the situation. For travelers, the Phantom X incorporates live transcribe to help you communicate in over 70 languages and dialects. The Ella AI assistant can provide practical support even when you're offline. With all these powerful functions and creative initiatives, we are confident Phantom X is the hub where you can process everything in your day-to-day life seamlessly. Protecting your privacy and mobile security is also our top priority. Our phone features an ultra-thin under-screen fingerprint for ease of access to your phone without compromising on security. You can also restrict access to important information, hide applications, and be safe in the knowledge that our anti-peep technology keeps prying eyes away. The goal with Phantom is to help you be bold and bring extraordinary experiences into your everyday life. you.